everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and we are heading to see Choppy this morning. Choppy has been calling us for some time from Friday. Today is Sunday, so he has been calling us from Friday, but we have been so busy and unable to reach him during that time, so we're coming today. So Choppy said we must come and have something for us. So we are in the area today.
And look there. How about them nothing?
You think so?
Me not actually watch.
Oh, we did tell him that would come today when we talked to him yesterday. Okay. Alright, so we're in the area this morning too, because where Mass Navy is, we are in the same area, just different roads. But same area really, so that's why we're here this morning.
Yeah, listen for something.
Oh, you find what things are going in our bush. You see them breadfruit there, over there?
Yeah.
Nice. The chances say they're all big. Wow. Take your opportunity for rest.
Come and walk. So clean.
Yeah, we just all see the farm pepper. Over here, nice. So good work on you.
Yeah.
Everywhere we go, so much mangoes all over the place.
Yeah. Yeah, hungry.
Choppy!
Good.
You want to say? You say in California and when you see where I come, you say we don't want to know.
Oh God. You're busy, man.
What's that? So them 2 bags they down there for we?
Yeah.
I tell ya.
Me I tell you, say, what you mean is mango them.
Oh.
All they stay on there, so maybe want to pick up one next. Wash out fresh one.
Oh.
Morning, boss.
Morning, sir.
Just see your son a while ago, man.
Yeah. And make him pick up one next.
Are your son do it?
Yeah. Make him pick up some fresh one, sir.
Oh. Choppy, you know you have pepper on the tree?
Yeah, man, if you put one like pot, you can food can't eat, meat can't eat.
It's hot.
You have to test it.
Come like you can't eat how it hot.
So not cool, man.
So many man, so
you
many.
can't cool.
I have to back on my face for it before I pot.
You can't cool.
Oh, God.
What?
I give thanks. Take out so white bag.
So what you chop on the tree? Ashes?
Yeah. You see, me pick on, me go there pick on, me feel like something white one.
Oh.
I go on and me say I must, only for caterpillar, so me just saw ashes yesterday.
Okay.
So I go on with it already.
But there we are come through.
Yeah.
See where you are going with.
Yeah, man, I run on like a boat here now.
Nice Sunday morning, yeah.
Dinner time or breakfast time, Choppy?
Dinner time, I go for it.
Eh?
Dinner time, I go for man.
Getting some of these peppers.
Yeah, you want bag?
Yeah. We never planned to pick that
I know, so they're young, not you?
I feel, yeah, they'll make Choppy me no need
Some I eat them.
No, because we not pick that plenty, cause
anything if I want you pick put in a bag.
alright. See there?
Are you not rain?
Huh?
Yeah, I sound like
Choppy. That's just friend.
Yeah, man, see Chappy have a bag there.
Oh, thank you.
And you know, when you do an interview for me, you know.
Mm.
I send an interview at home.
So talk.
Well, you talk, I come in and I live up all the things and so. Want if I send them, I beg money for Mr. McKenzie.
How name so?
This man McKenzie.
Oh.
You know you?
Yeah, I know him.
Yeah, but him don't know you.
Yeah, I know him. But then I work for highway for me today. And then them help man with money for his house, you know. Yeah. I send I write my sports one letter. The first one is stone for 2020. I'm in a year no answer for nobody, so I say I try things see if I could get the money, I try see if I can put up a room. Because night time, every time come blow me up and wash me up, so I can't sit down up night. Maybe can't lay down.
Yeah.
And so I beg them help, man. I beg him help, man. I don't want to send him money to you.
Talk to him. Talk to him, and we hear you.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Sir?
They watch you, you know, they watch you.
Mr. McKenzie, I'm 15 years, I'm there sick, you know. I'm house, I'm mash up from Gilbert. And right now, you know, I know back. I mean, why you see show them back, you know. And I know back from the back, you know, and the crack couple and something, I say I want to live up there for a bush. I look at help for you. I send one letter Spanish Town in 2020. But I don't hear no sign from it. So I see over $1 and see me buy come all and like steel and like something there. So I say, boy, I want to start up, you know, I don't want the money if I could get it from you. God no. Beg me a beg. Yeah, I'm a big man like I want to help people, so I don't know. So if you help me, I get it so you can send it for a man, send it to the man, and the man number 379 1388. So if me I get any help, you can just call the man and tell him what go on. Because I badly need it.
Chappy, you know my number more on me.
I came go work one day because right now, can't see if you do nothing. You go say me go over there so I help dig it to you. I drop one yam pick on my ground. So I write me in the farm and where I saw him from yesterday. Yeah, I mean he dropped in my waist right there, so I put. You see, so I can't house lot. 15 years now, my man broke my jawbone. Flintstone broke my jawbone, broke my nose, chopped my hand. I suffer for that thing. So I want a better little place to live. And up in the bush are 4. You know? If I can't get a help, man, deal with the said man, deal with the number, man, I meet the man named Zelly, man. Call him. I mean, man, I'm looking, man, because I want a start-up, man. Yeah, I want a start-up. I feel like a thing, you see me? Yeah. And nobody about and I help you, and if you not talk to somebody, they can't give you help. Me a taxi space to you, know, man. I'm there, see, anyway, we want to come on here and get it, could have put me for. Could have put me for, me have to pay up in that song all the time, that I left for me with my taxes, and I have to pay up 100,000.
Okay.
And I have to pay up them if you make free up, see, here. One for a level, so. I want to help, man.
Okay.
So you know, so they might hear me.
I mean,
My kids have no time for watching.
yeah, but somebody will send it to him, man.
That's why I say that somebody will say if so anybody see and can show him, send it to him. I say that.
Yeah.
That message.
Alright, so that's your message to this man
that's
Mackenzie.
a message to Mr. Mackenzie.
Alright.
And thank you very much. I mean, I get nothing yet. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah.
Time I got this shopping?
Yes, me.
Oh.
Make me pick up a couple fresh one.
Well, you don't know what me and now, Chappy. I'm not working eat none of that.
You. Alright. You sick?
Chappy
Yeah,
safe.
You look, sir?
Yeah.
No?
Why you can't now? They not carry the road. They not carry home.
Yeah, then we have it.
No
Me allergic to it, man.
Okay. Too sweet.
No, it affect me.
Oh, yeah, affect you.
I use me night mango in a choppy.
But I mean, if you affect me, but me just eat some mango like come see drive up and I say mango good for you.
If it affect you like how it affect me, you don't know. You know, like when you eat something and too many poison, I feel. Yeah.
One time.
Every time. I'm not mango alone. I'm not touchy.
Maybe you need to buy some ganja and drink.
I think I smoke, then smoke ganja.
And yeah, ganja man. Cook ganja man and boil tea. That's better for you than smoke. No, I'm not smoke one January, feel like more stronger.
Yeah, you have to stop, man.
That is that time one time, but you can't stop. That's too much I have to take that medicine.
You can't stop, because if you not do it for so long, it means so you
January.
can't manage without it.
I admit that just me feel like I want a job, but I know.
No, John, you want me, John, you go down the road. Yeah.
Jam and talk. Jam in a bag, man. So,
which one?
Two of them, man, but me say mango, them, me don't know.
Also, one bag have mango and one have yam?
Yeah.
The red one have the mango.
Yeah. I may come for the bag because I want some bucket for the road.
Oh.
Come for, you can't take back that one yet? No, no.
I'll catch some bucket go on the road tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, the sell buckle.
How much you want buckle?
It's about 20 there.
I forgot sell for them.
Yeah, can't me sell them, man.
So we can't count if you sell it.
I did $500 crate back a dozen, 2 dozen.
Yeah?
So if you have 10 crates, you know how much money that?
No, you want to tell me?
10, 5. 500, 5,000 that. 10, 5, 50, 500.
So you have crate to put yours in?
No, I said if you have no crate. If you have a crate, you get about 7,000, 700.
But you have to buy a crate, so I create money you get back.
200 for a crate. You go get the crate, you go spend money buy a crate as your security bucket. That's why you have a crate now. You just sell it because the crate come. Sell a car them and a car crate can load up it. It's better them. Buy them.
Yeah, they come up your feet.
Yeah?
Call them and then come for.
Oh, okay.
And when me tell you call them 3 crates ready here. And you go carry 2 crates.
Oh.
And I get $9.50. Me carry back 1 crate and put it on bag too. You know, pick up some water cake tomorrow and call them and some fertilizer from down there.
Okay,
So I just call them and carry fertilizer and can crate them and come pack up one time.
Yeah.
Alright, make we go take up your bag then.
Alright guys, so this is
So go back down our road.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, Choppy, you lead the way. That shows there, I mean, it's sliding it and
It's a slidey.
Slidey?
Oh, okay.
But you chuck the bottom boot that you know, man.
Best way.
You only walk like you're drunk, but you're not slide.
So me not ask you to put that there, you know.
Like you have to go put the eye them down where your foot there.
You know that way there? You go down.
Yes.
Yeah, feel the walk still in the bag, but
you walk like you sick.
yeah. If you never want to walk, that's why I can do something in the blind.
Yeah.
So I do something like this. I walk, go try and nobody not carry me, not leave me.
Yeah.
You tell me no side so long.
You must can walk go there, not you?
Can't walk, go try. You do. And I live on right.
Just take one side for yourself.
I live on right, you know. And I always use this tick, that means delay banking, that means when I feel the banking.
Yeah.
And I know which part I try have bad here so you can turn over.
Yeah.
So I already feel my banking when vehicle come, I just stop. I make vehicle fast. I told me and them can't drive the same time. Yeah, they have to say, oh, my boss, yes, I mean, you call them right after since morning.
Yeah.
Because then I use this stick.
Yeah, so I know what I stick. I'm telling you to say that. I'm come wrong. And here they call them. I have to know why it's over. Then I catch over here.
You say trouble?
No, so fix up it right now.
Yeah, because you...
So fix up it, man. I don't know what I understand. Eh?
That's the red
the
bag.
brown bag.
But you thought, last night I come up and smell here me caca. I sense man, but look on up. You have to look if you want, if they're not spoiling no man.
Them spoil. Them spoil.
I mean totally but they're real ripe, you know. And some of them, over the two come and look black. So then ripe already, you know.
So ripe them again.
They may ripe already, man, so. And they are long, so I mean.
What kind of yam? Round leaf?
It's a round leaf in there.
Oh, equally.
You carry.
Thank you.
What we do with this now? Left this as well.
Left that one.
If you say they will ripen, that's why I'm asking if you look up more for me this one.
Okay. You did right.
Like this is we take them up right, so I'm not on Thursday. So we get them in the bag and the bag hot.
Yeah. Because they don't have it as much as we do. Huh? Yeah.
Right, just on 2 mango job and we come back and look for them till I get me at the port and never see them. Right, soon after saying that, the mango tree there. You had me yesterday, I had me yesterday. No mango up on that tree on this.
Oh, that mango tree there not even look like it start bearing.
Yeah, chop out the head of come on mango.
Oh.
I say if mango drop yes, so I did this. So I turn back and I look for me, can't find it. I say then I walk on.
Maybe roll over the bush.
But me go just and take my foot and feel all the way. And I look down deep and I see no mango. You know, go by the bush man, he like it tap somewhere. So.
Oh.
Just now, but me.
So I go. The two gone.
Yeah. But look at me want to hear me. I can't taste the one after this.
Oh, you want to see it taste?
Because I know Choppy down here. As I live, so I'm going to put it.
Because you start chop it.
Yeah.
Because we all put chopping at the tree.
Because he like this and he wired this one.
Oh, yeah.
They will go up more and it's dark, he make it so dark and the other man time and time I come and it's sunshine, the side so you know see where I have to put my foot there. So. I scatter it, so if you come chop him off me, but you know I'll come back.
Oh, okay. Alright, Chappy, thank you so much.
Yeah man, say it.
Highly appreciated.
Yeah.
The blessed up Chappy guys. Chappy
yeah, enough respect, enough respect. Yeah, from when you call it Thursday?
Yeah.
Thursday.
Thursday. I say alright, when I come down because he did the game. And I say, yo, book out around him for me, say this around him for my figures there. And tough to look out for my piece.
So Miyagi. So nobody enough to touch it.
Nobody, no, I say, I take it back. I say, no man, you can't. Take back what? I say, make me young food. You want me say, you can't make me food.
Alright, Choppy, enough respect. We really appreciate it. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, everybody, thanks so much for always tuning in, for always making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe.
No, you have to tell him to look.
A different, you get
him to look.
A different,
You don't know why you're
I have to wait for you to tell me.
Take picture of different camera.
Oh! No, it's same one, but because it's in the rig.
No, we might batch it dead, so we just.
So we have to do it differently. That's why we're not getting no mic today.
You want the mic?
One pass over us all of them yet.
No.
Gone on so.
The Lawrence.
Alright guys, blessed love. Stay safe. See you next time. Alright.